My name is Mike Altman. I work for a company called Who Gives a Crap, and I am the Director of Lifecycle Marketing and CRM. The idea of the company came after the founders learned that 2.5 billion people on the planet that don't have access to clean water on a toilet. They wanted to see how they could use a product to help people make a change. They raised their first money for the product, which is toilet paper, by sitting on a toilet in a drafty warehouses until they raised enough money for their first pre-order. So it was like 50 hours that he was on the toilet and raised over $50,000 for the first round of the product. All of our products are made for societal and environmental impact. So we make 100% bamboo toilet paper, 100% recycled toilet paper. We donate 50% of our profits to help build toilets for the 2 billion people without them. Klaviyo is really important to us because it allows us to more efficiently communicate with those audiences versus potentially other channels. I don't think that we're expecting people to, contemplate the challenges of the world every time they go to the bathroom, but I think we would hope that people feel good about it. It's kind of like a feel-good experience. We want everyone to be wiping with better toilet paper.